Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines.
Presidential reference SC to give opinion regarding open ballot for Senate polls on Monday. The Supreme Court of Pakistan will issue its verdict regarding the presidential reference seeking an open ballot voting system in Senate election on Monday. Fuel prices to remain unchanged as PM rejects hike proposal. Prices of petroleum products will not see any increase at least for a fortnight as Prime Minister Imran Khan has rejected the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority's proposal to jack up fuel rates from 1st March. Zardari to reach Islamabad today will stay till Senate polls. Former President and People's Party lead Asif Ali Zardari will reach Islamabad this evening, quoting party sources. Sindh not allow 100% student attendance in school. Sindh Education Minister Saeed Ghani said that 100% student attendance in school across the province will not be allowed until the coronavirus pandemic is eliminated. First Congo virus patient of this year reported in Karachi. A patient at the city's Jinnah hospital has been diagnosed with Congo virus. Sindh reported 7 deaths, 262 new COVID-19 cases in 24 hours. Sindh has reported as many as 7 more deaths and 262 new cases of COVID-19 in the province as 10,057 tests were conducted in 24 hours.
This is the end of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care of yourself and others. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.